Hi, I'm Nadia. Welcome to this week's episode of Apartment Series. Today, I'll be showing you how to make 3 natural DIY cleaning products for the kitchen. The first hack is cleaning the microwave. This hack is from anjahome.com. First, what we'll need is a cup and a half of water, a few slices of lemon. You can buy 1 lemon for 50 cents. You'll need a knife, a cutting board, a microwave safe bowl, and a wet cloth. Step 1. Using the knife and cutting board, cut the lemon in half and cut 1/2 into slices. Step 2. Add them to a cup of water in a microwave safe bowl. Step 3. Put it in the microwave and turn it on for 2 minutes. Step 4. Using the cloth, easily wipe away the residue. And there you go. No hard scrubbing needed. The second hack is cleaning wooden cutting boards. This and the next hack I'll mention are from blog.thatcleanlife.com. First, what we'll need is 1 lemon cut in half, coarse salt, you can buy a box for about $1.99, a wet sponge. Step 1. Sprinkle the wooden surface with coarse salt. Step 2. Scrub the surface using half the cut lemon. While you're scrubbing, slightly squeeze the lemon to release some juice. Step 3. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. Step 4. Scrape off and wipe the cutting board clean with the wet sponge and rinse. The third hack is polishing the kitchen sink. First, what we'll need is baking soda. You can buy a box for $1.49. Although Comet Cleaner is about $1, this cleaning method is definitely more natural and works just as well. You'll also need some water and a sponge. Step 1. Mix the baking soda with a little bit of water in the sink until you see a paste form. Step 2. Use a sponge to scrub it around the sink. Step 3. Rinse away the residue and enjoy the shine. Each of these hacks will cost you less than $2 to make, and you'll be able to make more than one batch of the products. You'd be surprised by what you can do with what you already have at home. Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of Apartment Series. If you have any tips or tricks you love that are inexpensive and make your life easier, please share in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this page. We'll be back next week with an all-new episode for Hacks on a Budget.